Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine beta. Students, today we are going to discuss last part of determiners from our practice book chapter number 3. So let's start with the exercises. First of all, what are quantifiers? As we know students, quantifiers are words that indicate the quantity or amount of a noun. What it indicates? The quantity or amount of a noun. Now students, let's see using less or least. Less and least. Students, when you compare actions और qualities, जब आप two actions को और qualities को students compare करते हो that are less rather than more, use less and least to make comparison. Means less and least are used for making comparison, little, less, least. Okay, for example, Dan rows less often than Lisa does. Okay, their coach complains least often of all. Now, let's understand more clear with the meaning. Let's start students with the students, first one is few. What it's mean? Few means students not many or not a lot. An example, there are few melons in the shop today. Means not a lot, बहुत कम है. There are few melons in the shop today. We don't have much choice. Next one is fewer. Fewer means not as many. For example, the supermarket has fewer melons than the greengrocer. Comparison is there, fewer melons than the greengrocer. Next one is fewest, the smallest number, the smallest सबसे कम. Okay, the shop has the fewest melons today. The shop has the fewest melons today. Next, little. Little means not much or not a lot. There is little milk left in the jug. Is it enough for breakfast? क्या ये बहुत है breakfast के लिए? Means not a lot. Means बहुत कम है students. There is little milk left in the jug. Is there enough for breakfast? Next is less. Less means not as much. We bought less milk yesterday than today. We bought less milk yesterday than today. And last one is least, the smallest quantity. Okay, the smallest quantity, that is the eldest child drinks the least milk. The eldest child drinks the least milk. So students, these are the examples as well as meaning of some of the quantifiers. Yes students, now let's move on to the next exercise. Nikki wrote the following letter to her uncle thanking him for the birthday gift he had sent her, but there are a few errors in it. Underline the error in each line and write the correct word in the space provided. And the first one has been done for you. Yes students, it's a letter written to uncle. By whom? By Nikki. But there are some mistakes students. Now you have to find out the mistakes, okay, and then underline those mistakes. And after underline students, you have to write down in the space provided to you. The space is given to you. You have to write down the answers, the correct answers there. Okay, in your books you have to underline the incorrect word and then write down the correct word in the space provided to you. So let's start with the first. Dear uncle, thanks the Lord. Here students, the is wrong. Thanks the Lord for the wonderful gift. So we have written here a is correct article. Correct word is here. So we have written here a. Thanks a Lord. Okay, the is wrong. What should be there? Thanks a lot. So we have written a in the space provided to us. Thanks a lot for the wonderful gift. Next, a pot with a teeny sapling that you have sent is a best gift that I have ever received. A pot. A pot is wrong. What is the answer? The. A is wrong here, and you will write down the here. A pot with a teeny sapling that you have sent is the best. Again, it's the best gift, not a best. Okay, the best. The best gift that I have ever received. I have kept it on a little stool. Okay, underline the word the and write on there a. I have kept it on a little stool near the window. I water it. Is wrong. Write on the there. Near the window, I water it every day. Already a little leaf. Okay, not an. Already a little leaf has sprouted from its tender stem. And next one is the sight. Is wrong. The. Write on here the. The sight of that leaf fills me with joy. There is an eager. Okay, there is an. Is wrong. So underline the word and write down an. There is an eager wait for more leaves. Thanks a lot. Again in the last sentence, thanks the lot is written. So the is wrong here. What you should write, beta? Thanks a lot. Clear, students? You have to underline the errors and then write down the correct words there. Clear? Now let's move on to the fifth exercise, which I have told to you how to complete. I think you have completed. Means all of you have completed worksheet number 5. Means cross all the planners, demonstratives, rhyming words. All these you have completed. Now some words are left, students. Okay, some words are left when you have completed, like most, intelligent, है ना? Some words are left, na? So now what you have to do, beta? You have to rewrite using those words and make a complete sentence. Okay, make a complete sentence by using those words. And what the sentence should be there then? How can we frame? Keep it up. You are very smart, है ना? And you are intelligent. Like this, the sentence should be there, and you have to write down your message. Okay, you have to write down your message here in these two sentences. And what's the message, maybe, students? You are most intelligent and smart. So write down your message here. Now, students, let's move on to the last exercise of this chapter. What you have to do, beta? Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. The first one has been done for you. As students, we have done all the determiners, है ना? So what you have to do, beta? You have to complete this exercise by using those determiners like more, much, less. Okay, article and the. These all you have to fill here. So let's start with the first one, students. May I have some more milk? May I have some is the answer. Some more milk. Next is February has dash days than March. More or less? But the answer should be there, students. February has less days or more? Less. What's the answer? Less days. Then she has dash friends than I. She has more friends than I. Next one is at the end. Okay, at the end of the road, you will find a newly inaugurated bookstore. At the end of the road, you will find a newly inaugurated bookstore. Next one is, can you tell me the shortest? What's the answer? The. Can you tell me the shortest route to the airport? Next is she is an astronaut. Okay, she is an astronaut. Then Kashmir has the finest. What's the answer? Kashmir has the finest scenery in the world. And I am feeling much better after taking this medicine. I am feeling much better after taking this medicine. The box weighs not more than 1 kilogram. The box weighs not more than 1 kilogram. And last sentence, students, March has dash days than April. And what's answer should be there? Less or more? March has less or more? What's answer should be there? More. Okay. March has more days than April. Now students, I think it's clear to you. And what you have to do, students, now you have to complete chapter number 3 of your practice book after watching the video. Okay, as we have discussed complete chapter, now you have to fill the answers in your practice book in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay students, hope it's clear to you. Thanks Peter. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.